My name is Celia, I'm 22 years old. Before Le Wagon, I was studying business management at Ishek. So I decided to do Le Wagon right after my study because I wanted to keep learning and acquiring new skills, and more specifically some hard skills. I really enjoy spending time at Le Wagon. I think from the first day I came home, I really like it. I liked what we're learning, I like the people. And it was like from day one a really good experience. My favorite part about the bootcamp is the learning system. It's in the morning theoretical stuff for like 2 hours, and then you're straight into challenges to practice what you learn, so it really gives you time to understand what you learn and use it directly afterwards. I'm still quite involved with the community. I often see some alumni from my batch. I also got my job thanks to the Wagon community, so it's something that's really important and quite a big part of the Wagon experience. For 2 months now I've been working at Recover as a backend developer. I do small feature or some bug fixing, some refactoring. It's really fun. It's every day something new, and I'm learning new stuff every day, so I really enjoy it. The bootcamp really helped me get to where I'm now. It helped me with finding a job, but also acquiring the skills to help me during the job. It really gives us the fundamentals and teach us how to keep learning new stuff after the bootcamp. I think if you are thinking about doing Le Wagon bootcamp, really go for it. It could really change like your future, your career, and give you a new perspective in 9 weeks. It's not that long to try something new.